Amazon is now allowing you to generate your ads with their own AI ads generator. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use it and some examples of the types of ads that they produce. And I think you'll be surprised by some of the things that you see. We're going to walk through a real brand and generating some AI ads with that brand. So strap in. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to generate these ads, what kind of results you can expect, and where to find it inside the ads console. Let's jump in now. All right, so here we are inside the Amazon ads console. Just go to sellercentral.com, click on advertising, and you'll get here. Click create campaign. And these two types of ads here, sponsored brands and sponsored display, are the two types of ads that you can find the AI ads generator in. Now, recently, Amazon actually made it required inside sponsored brands for you to have custom creative, meaning either a custom video or a custom image in your ads. In sponsored display, it's still optional. So you can create an ad inside sponsored display without custom creative. Amazon will just populate that space with the primary image instead. Inside sponsored products, you don't need any custom creative, and there's no AI in terms of creative with sponsored product ads because there's no images and there's no video on any sponsored product ad. So let's check it out inside sponsored brands. Let's say I click continue and I want to create a product collection ad. And where I'm going to find, we're not going to go through how to set all these settings. You could look at the other videos on my channel to figure this out. I have a whole video on how to create a sponsored brand ad step by step on my channel. But we're going to scroll all the way down to the creative section. And here's where you're going to see the AI feature. Now it says image suggestions here, but there's a little button that says generate images with AI. Now, if I click that, it brings me to the AI image generator for this product. Now, the product we're dealing with is one of the brands in our portfolio that is a shoulder bag, right? So we're going to see what Amazon generates with AI. All right, here we go. So these are the default ad images that Amazon has generated for us just right away as soon as we clicked the little AI image builder button. And as you can see, they're pretty simplistic. So all three of them are the bag itself sitting on some sort of bench or dock in this case. And what you'll notice about this is that it didn't change the product at all. So all Amazon is really doing is taking the simple image of the product and putting it in different scenes exactly as it is. So unlike some other AI image generators that take input, like Midjourney or DALL-E from OpenAI, that will actually adapt or change the product, like it might show the strap instead of laying in front of it over somebody's shoulder, for example. All Amazon's AI is doing is taking the product and putting it in different scenarios. Now, they do give you the option to give some direction and even to determine a theme. And they've got quite a few themes here: 4th of July, abstract, autumn, backyard, beach, boho. If I keep scrolling down, there's garden, neon, office, pumpkin spice, rustic, rocky landscape, sci-fi. So we've got some weird themes here, and I'm going to try some of these out with you guys because it's actually pretty fun to see what Amazon actually generates. You can really tell that they're still in beta here. This is a new feature. Amazon's testing it out, and they're looking for the pioneers that really want to try something new. Now, you might be quick to write this off and be like, laugh at it and be like, wow, this is hilarious. Like, these look so obviously fake. But when it comes to the themes that Amazon has, these can actually potentially be valuable for specific things like 4th of July, for example, a holiday, or Christmas with these different colors, where you're actually running an ad for a specific purpose, for a specific thing, especially if the product is related to that thing. So it's not impossible that you could split test a bunch of these, like I'm talking 15 to 50 of them, just to see if one of them hits on a low-cost ad type like sponsored display custom image ads, for example. So it's not impossible to see how this could actually be valuable. We're not yet running any of these AI-generated image ads on our portfolio of brands, but it's something that we might actually test in the near future if we see a specific use case for it. So with that said, let's have some fun here and let's see what some of these themes actually generate. And what you'll notice, what we'll do after this, is you can actually write in a description of the scene that you want and see what Amazon can do for it. So we'll do that after, but first let's test out some of these themes, because some of these I really love, like sci-fi. What is our bag gonna look like in a sci-fi theme? I don't know. Let's find out. Whoa, okay, here we go. So we're using our shoulder bag out in space. Seems like it might be on the International Space Station. I don't know. Let's see what some of these other themes have for us. So we've got water splash, rustic. Oh, pumpkin spice. I'm dying to see what this does. Let's find out. Oh, nice. Dude, actually, I kind of like this one. It's really sweet. I really like pumpkin spice, and I love the fall vibe and the fall atmosphere. I love pumpkins. I love pumpkin pie. I love pumpkin spice lattes. So this one kind of strikes at my heart a little bit. I jive with this, dude. I don't care if it's tacky or cheesy. This is my style. I'm a basic bee. It just is what it is. I think these are cool. I especially like this one, and this one with the, with the pumpkin pie in the background. In all honesty, these images might be better for something like Amazon Posts, which, you know, obviously you could do something like this with another AI image generator all on your own, like DALL-E or Midjourney, but you could just save these images and literally use them as Amazon Posts, and you'd have an unlimited amount of image to use for your Amazon post, because you can't use the same image twice in an Amazon post. So if you want to schedule them out like a year in advance, you need 365 images. So something that could potentially be a use case for this. I'm still unsure on whether I would actually try running this as an ad. Again, it depends on the product. Let's see if there's anything to stop messing around here to see that's actually valuable for us. So living room, this isn't really a home product. Mountain, okay. Now this actually makes sense because this is a shoulder bag where you're carrying stuff in it. So you might take it outdoors or on a hike or something like that. So let's see what mountain does. I'm actually looking to see if there's office. Oh, there is office home. Okay, so let's see office first, because that's actually super relevant to this. It's something that you'd put your laptop in and stuff. All right, so here's our office images. Not very impressive. The scale is off. Like the bag looks way bigger than it should on these desks. The lighting is totally different. It just really looks out of place. Like if you were to give me one of these images and be like, which thing in this image was photoshopped in there or just added in post, it'd be very obvious. So I actually like these autumn ones better. I'm a little biased because I love fall, but I like these. I don't know. I think those are cool. Again, are they actually going to be useful in terms of cost per click and ACoS on ads? That's a whole different story, and I have my doubts. We're not confident enough to be using this as part of our actual strategy yet. But it's cool that Amazon is actually trying this out, and I'm sure they're going to be iterating on it and making it get better and better. So, by the way, I'm making cuts here. It actually takes a long time each time you generate. So it's not like it instantly generates these things. I just don't want to keep you guys waiting. It takes probably about 30 seconds, I would say, each time you want to generate. So you're really just sitting there waiting for these images to generate. And sometimes it only gives you one. Like, I don't know why sci-fi, I could only think of one thing, but for fall and for office, it gave 4. So now let's see what happens. Let's challenge it a little bit. Let's just see what it does. Let's say guy walking in a busy street with the product bag over his shoulder. Let's see what that does. Okay, here we go. Not even close. Looks like Amazon decided to put our bag on the street next to a skateboard and hanging off with anti-gravity over the edge of this little ridge here with a coffee next to it. So not even close. I mean, we knew Amazon wouldn't be able to change every single one of these at the same image for the product, so it wasn't going to adapt it to a person, but it actually completely ignored the guy and the walking and the busy, but it did get street. So it's something. I don't think this is actually really useful yet, but it might be the case that sometime in the future Amazon adapts this enough to make it an actually useful tool. And if you want to use this in another ad type, you just go over to sponsored display, scroll down to the bottom. Once again, you click image ads, scroll down to the bottom here and just go to image and then add image. And then you'll see here, choose AI generated image in beta. And you'll see the exact same interface that you have for sponsored brand AI generated images. So that's Amazon's AI generated ad image builder. If you guys are testing this out or you've tried this, I'm curious to hear your feedback. Also, with some of the examples that we went through, I'm curious to hear what you guys think of it. So add it in the comments. This channel is still really small, so I reply to all the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.